Want to take pictures using the screen on your Canon camera instead of the viewfinder? That's what live view is for. Many people don't know how to turn it on or off. In this video, I'll guide you through how to easily switch live view on or off. Let's get started. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Press the menu button. Now press the right arrow to go to the fourth camera icon tab. Find the option called Live View Shoot. Select that option. Press the Set button. You'll see two choices, Enable and Disable. To turn it on, choose Enable. To turn it off, choose Disable. Once you select, press the Set button to save the setting. And that's all. Now you know how to turn live view on or off on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.